everyone, welcome back to the OmogeMuRa YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be taking my hair from 0 to 100. I don't know if you guys can see, but my hair is just hair. It's not styled, it's not clean. It's like, actually it feels like there's so much product on my hair, like there's so much product in my hair, and I need to like wash it out, clean it, cleanse it, treat it, and just make my hair feel like hair again. I think the last time I washed my hair was last year, and that was before Edwin came to my house to do my hair before I traveled to Imo State for Oma's wedding. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, please watch my Imo State vlog. It's gonna pop up in the eye up here. You can watch that there. So it's been about, I think, 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Even when I loosened the twist, I still didn't wash my hair because I was like, yeah, I was feeling lazy. I was like, nah. But now I actually really need to wash my hair because my hair smells a little funky and it feels heavy. Before we get started in today's video, please do not forget to subscribe to the OmogeMuRa YouTube channel. It's that big red button down there. I know you see it. I know you see it. I know you know that I can see you seeing it. So I do not know why you've not subscribed yet. Like, just subscribe. It's a simple act. Just click on the button and also click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you get a notification. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started in today's video. To start off my hair, I'm gonna wash and condition my hair. I'm not gonna deep condition. I do not have the deep conditioner I want to use. The deep conditioner that I love, and if you guys have been reading my blog for so long, you'll know I am in love with the Olori Damage Begun deep conditioner. That deep conditioner is amazing. I don't have it. I'm going to buy it, I think, this week. Yes, I'm going out to go and buy. I have a bunch of stuff I need to buy, like, in my life. So I'm going to go and buy that this week. Today I am going to be washing and conditioning my hair with the Dark and Lovely All Natural shampoo and conditioner. The shampoo is very clarifying and very stripping, and that is why I'm using it. I'm using it because I have so much product buildup in my hair, like that's nasty. I have a lot of product buildup in my hair, so I need to like wash off all the gunk in my hair. The conditioner is really good for getting rid of tangles. It's literally called the knot out conditioner, and it really does get rid of all the knots in your hair. So I'm gonna go use these two products together to wash and condition my hair. I'll be right back. I am back. I have finished washing and conditioning my hair. As you can see, I had to change into a different shirt because I really didn't want to get that shirt wet. That black shirt I was wearing is really tight, and I can't imagine it's wet. It would just be a terrible mistake. So I just changed into one of my brother's baggy shirts. Let me unravel my hair. By the way, this is a microfiber towel that I was gifted by Kantu. It's dirty. I need to wash it. I'm not embarrassed at all. I don't know why. I have no shame. Anyway, as you can see, my hair is in puffs. I like to do when I'm conditioning my hair, I like to put my hair into separate sections. It makes it easier for me to detangle. It makes it easier for me to condition my hair. Dividing my hair this way makes it so much easier for me to twist and style my hair because I don't have like a bunch of hair like just flying everywhere. I'm going to take out one of the bands here for the back one right there. I hope you guys can see it. Take my white tooth comb, this pink comb right here, and comb through the hair. And then I'm going to moisturize my hair with the Urban Bella Signature Series Hydrating Moisturizing Cream. I have had this cream since early last year. In fact, as you can see, it's almost finished. I love how it smells. It smells like bubble gum. It's a thick formula, so I don't really need a lot. A little goes a long way. I'm going to take this, rub it between my fingers, as you can see, and kind of pick at it and make sure each strand of the hair is evenly coated. I'm going to go back in with my white tooth comb and comb through. It's time for me to style my hair. To style my hair, I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture Jojoba Oil and Ukuba Butter Braid Up Conditioning Gel that has carrot seed oil. This is from their Protective Styles range. It smells good in an interesting way. I really don't know what to say it smells like, but it smells really good. It's a light but thick gel. It's the weirdest consistency. It's like a gel formula, but a light gel formula. So I hope you guys can see. In fact, maybe I'll just turn my chair to the side. So I have the gel on my fingers like this, and I'm going to evenly distribute it amongst my hair. And now I'm going to do my bantu knot. So I have done a tutorial on how I do bantu knots in the past before. It's a really old tutorial. I think it's 2 years old, and I think it's time for me to update the tutorial. So some people just take a piece of hair like this and just twist it around and around and around and then tuck in the ends. But what I like to do, so I can have a bit of extra definition, is I'm going to twist the hair first. So I'm going to take a piece of my hair, divide it into two. I hope you guys can see this. To God, I really do. And twist the hair like so. I really like doing bantu knots because number one, it's a cute protective style. Number two, it keeps your ends away because you tuck in your ends. It keeps it away from the environment. So if you're in America right now, or in the UK where the winter is a bit strong, you can do this hairstyle to really protect your hair. Alright, so we've twisted the first twist. So all I'm going to do is in the direction I twisted my hair, I'm going to continue twisting it, put down a base. I'm going to hold it down with one finger and then go round and round and round until I've formed like a little knob up here, and then twist the hair all around it like so. I'm not gonna subject you guys to seeing the whole entire head of hair because I think that's gonna take way too long on camera. So I'm gonna do all of my hair and then leave a little bit of here so I can show you guys how I do my bantu knots in front of my head. I finished the back of my head and it's just remaining these in front. I have my comb, just gonna comb it out. I've already added the Signature Series Urban Bella Moisturizing Cream, and I've already added the Ukaba Butter, the Sheer Moisture Protective Styles Braid Up Conditioning Gel. So I'll be able to show you how I do a bantu knot better since this is the front of my hair. So I've already taken a piece, divided it into two, and I'm just going to do a really quick twist, a quick and tight twist, and then at the end I always like wrap it around so that the hairs go around each other. Gonna go around in a circle, hold the hair down, and then pick it up at the back so you have a nugget, so you have something you're holding onto, and then the rest of your hair just goes all around your hair like that. So I think I'm going to do two more because the hair isn't as much as I thought it was. Around this side, divide it into two again, a nice tight and quick twist, and then as I said, lay it down, go around in a circle, pick it up at the back so you have a nugget to hold on to, and then twist the rest of the strand around it, and you have your bantu knot. This is the last one. Hold it down, twist around, pick up the nugget at the back, then continue to roll it around, and you are done. Hey. And this is my updated bantu knots tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like, please leave a comment below. Let me know what was your favorite part of this tutorial. Also, please do not forget to subscribe. Hit the thumbs up so I can get a like, and also click on the notification bell so you'll always be notified whenever I have a new video. If you have any suggestions of videos I should do, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you once again for watching. Do let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.